in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube easily and really basic. So let's start. So in the 3x3, as you probably know, if you have to solve it, you probably know that even if you didn't have a 3x3, you probably know that people start with the white side. So let's start by making the white side. So I'm going to be taking this piece as the top piece. So you just choose one of all the white pieces you can find as the top piece. So let's keep this side as the top. Then let's find some other white pieces. We got this one, we got this one, and this one. So step one, we have to do this. To do that, we need to match also these sides, as you can see, because otherwise it will look like really weird and you cannot solve it. So to do it, you actually have to see these two, the top white pieces, the piece that you the piece that you took at the top, that piece sides you have to check, and depending on what color you choose of these two, you have to find a white piece with that color. So I choose green. We're gonna find a piece that has green on it. So a white piece with green. So as you can see, we have this one. So we're gonna turn it until we get to this part, and we're gonna add it. So you're gonna go ahead and put it like this. Make sure you move it to the side. Make the column that you want to put it in. Take it down, and take out the thing that you put away, and then you take it back up, and you should have made the first two pieces. As you can see, it matches here, and there's no white pieces here. So let's do another one. So as you can see, we have this guy over here, and for that we're gonna add this one to. As you can see, there's a blue and an orange. So let's find the blue and the orange. We don't have the blue yet, but we have the orange. So let's put it right here. So let's take this piece until we get to the place where we want to add it. Put it to the side. Take the column we want to move. Put it in. You're going to move to the side, and then you move it up. And then you have the basic thing. But then we got this piece. We try to find it, but it's in the same layer, but it's flipped. How do we unflip it? You may ask. It's pretty easy. So it's almost the same thing, but you kind of do some new things. So start by taking that layer down, and make sure that the white piece is facing in the same column. So for example, if the white piece was here, you would move this one. If the white piece is here, you have to move this one. So let's start. So you start by taking this one down. You move this one time, and then you take it back up, and then you got the white piece right here. So now you can just take it to the side, take the column down you want to put it in, and put this one in here. As you can see, we got the first layer done, and yeah, now for the last layer, and it's pretty easy. You need to do one formula a lot of times. So you put the white side that we just made and put it at the bottom now. So this side is the yellow side, and this is the last layer, which is pretty easy and kind of hard at the same time, because you have to do more formulas and a lot of things. So let's start. First thing, you want to see if you can find a corner that's in the right place, but not flipped. Or it's okay if it's flipped correctly, but it doesn't have to. So for example, if this one was flipped correctly and it was over here, it's okay. But for example, if it was not flipped correctly and it was over here, it's okay too. So let's see if we can find one now. And we don't. You can. Then we're gonna spin the cube once. Let's see. Yes. this? I actually don't think so. We actually don't. Then you move it another time. And there we go. So what you're going to do is, for me, almost actually all of them are in the right place. But for example, if it wasn't, you actually have, what you would do is you would find a correct one that actually was in the right place. You would keep it in your left side, and then what you would do is you would take this column down, and then you would take this column to the side, and then take this column and this one, this like this, and like this, and like this. So if you do this formula, you should do this, like, if you did that, you would probably do it many times until all the pieces are in the correct place. So as you can see, this one isn't, this one isn't, and this one isn't. So let's do it again in the correct one. On our left, take this column down, take this one to the side, take this one down, take this one to the side, take this one up, take this one to the side, and take this one up, and then take this one to the side. So let's see if we have more columns that are correct. This one is correct, this one is not correct, this one is either not correct, and this one is actually not correct. Let's do it again. You probably have to do this many times before it's done it. This one is correct, this one is correct, this one is correct, and this one is correct. So all of them are correct, but they're not flipped correctly. So let's do the flipping formula. So to do that, you're gonna put the right one in your left side again. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this one down, and then do this 2 times, and then take it back up. Take this one to the side, take it down, take this one to the side, and then take it up. Then you're going to do the same thing to your left side. So you're going to take it down, take it to the side once, twice, take this one up, take this one to the side, take this one down, take this one to the side, and then take this one. So as you can see, it's kind of solved these two, so it solved one more. So let's do it again. And make sure you do not change the rotation you've done it. So just always make this corner as your left side, so it doesn't kind of like scramble the cube again. So let's do it again. Take this one down, take this one once, twice, up, and then you take this one once, and then you take this one also once, and this one up, and then take this one to the side. Actually, 2 times. Yes. You have solved everything. And yeah. So if you, for example, have this thing, so as you can see, the side that we did it on is now flipped. So we shouldn't do it on this side. So what we should do is, if it's like this, we should do it on the correct side. So when it's in this stage, as you can see, you have to keep it the right, not flip the one in this side. So this is the last step, and last time you have to do the flipping formula. And you should also keep the right side, the correct side, onto your left if this piece is, for example, here, and the yellow piece is also here. So you're like flipped like this and like this. So you should also keep it like that. And then what you do is you do the same formula again. Take it down 2 times, up, once, down, once, up, down, twice, up, once, down, once, and you're done. As you can see, we did it under 10 minutes, and you can do it as fast as you want. And as you can see, it's pretty easy. You only did 2 formulas for solving this cube, and that's it. You have solved the 2x2, and you can start trying to solve better cubes and bigger and better cubes. So thank you for watching this video. I see you guys in the next one. Bye.